Hello students, welcome to the video class of the chapter binary operation. Today we are going to discuss what is meaning of operation and some symbol of operations, then what do you mean by binary operation, then definition, then types of binary operation and how to find the identity element, inverse element of the binary operation. Now, what is operation? Actually, operation means what? Operation. What is meaning of operation? Operation means it is the process to produce new element from given two elements. It is the process. It is the process. It is the process to produce new elements from given two elements, for number system, that is in number system. Example, in number system the operations are addition, addition, multiplication, subtraction, etc. That is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay, and division. For addition, the symbol is plus. Subtraction, this symbol, multiplication dot, and addition is what? Division is division, like this. In set theory, the operations are union, intersection, difference, union, intersection, difference, symmetric difference, etc. Symmetric difference, this is for union, this is for intersection, this is for difference, and this is symmetric difference, delta here. Clear? Similarly, for function, composition of two functions also operation. Compositions of functions are also the operation. Now we will discuss about binary operation. Okay. Now, what is binary operation? Binary operation. Bi means two. Binary operation means operation involved between two elements of a given set. So, what is binary operation? Operations involved in between two elements of a set using operate. Now, binary operation. A binary operation or composition binary composition, we can say binary operation or binary composition. Binary composition star is a function by a binary operation or binary composition on a set, non-empty set, non-empty set A is a function associate the order pair A comma B belongs to A cross A to an unique element C, to an unique element C belongs to A, C belongs to A. That is, or we can say the binary operation star on a non-empty set A is a function H star from A cross A to A cross A to A. Clear? Or we can say, and denoted by what? And denoted by operation of, this is operation symbol, A comma B, or we can write A star B is equal to operation of A comma B is equal to C, where A comma B comma C all are belongs to set A. Or we can write here operation of A and B is equal to produce new element C, where A comma B comma C all are belongs to given set A. Simply we can say, let a finite set A and select any two elements and operate it. After operation, a new element will get, if that element belong to same set, then star will be the binary operation. Okay. For example, suppose let's set up natural number n. Take any two elements, suppose 2 and 3, and the operation, take operation is addition. Suppose 2 plus 3 is equal to what? 5. 5 is also belongs to set up natural number. So it is that is the operation addition on set up natural number is binary operation. Okay. Example, let the operation addition on n. It is binary operation. Because sum of addition of any natural number, any two natural number is a natural number. So it is operation. binary operation. So what is actually meaning of binary operation? If it satisfies the closure property, binary operation satisfies the closure property, then if the operation satisfies the closure property, then the operation will be what? Binary operation. We can say simply, or we can say that is what is binary operation. If the operation star on a set, on a non-empty set, non-empty set A satisfies the closure property, then star will be binary operation. Actually, closure property, what do you mean by closure property? Operation of any two elements of a given set produce new element, that new element also belong to the same set, then we can say it is closure property. Closure property meaning, suppose operation of 2 plus 3, these are belongs to what? 2, 3 belongs to n, set of natural, this is 5 also belongs to n, so this will be the closure property in addition. Okay, so number of binary operation. Now number of binary operation. Let star be a binary operation on a non-empty set, and let cardinality of A is equal to n. What is number of function from A to B? F from A to B. Then number of function what? Then number of function formula from A to B. From A to B formula what? Mod B to the cardinality of B to the cardinality of A. Here number of element of A cross A have what? That implies cardinality of A cross A is equal to what? N square. Since star is a function from what? A cross A to A, therefore number of binary operation on A is equal to what? Cardinality of A to the power cardinality of A cross A, that is n to the power n square. This is number of binary operation on the given set. Clear? Number of binary operation on the given set A. Okay. Now one example. Let capital A is equal to A1, A2, A3. Then what is the total number of binary operation on A? So solution, A is equal to A1, A2, A3. So cardinality of A is equal to 3. This is n. Okay, this is n. Number of binary operation formula. Number of binary operation on a formula is what? N square, n to the power n square, that is equal to 3 to the power 3 square, 3 to the power 9. This is number of binary operation. Now some questions related to the definition of binary operations. Question is, which of the following operations are binary operations? Okay, which of the following are binary operations? On z plus, first question, number one question, the answer is what? On z plus defined by a star b is equal to a plus b minus 5. It is not binary operation. Not binary operation. Let a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, then by formula a star b is equal to a plus b minus 5. So 1 star 2 is equal to 1 plus 2 minus 5. So this is 3 minus 2, 3 minus 5. So this is minus 2, not belongs to z plus. So this is not binary operation. This is the reason. This is the reason. Clear? The first one is not binary operation. Now first one is not binary operation. Okay. Now for second, this is question number 1. Now question number 2. On z plus defined by a star b is equal to, this is also on z plus a star b, that is a star b is equal to a minus b is not binary operation. Binary operation. Reason, let a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3. So a star b what? A star b is equal to a minus b, that is 1 star 3. So 1 star 3 is equal to 1 minus 3. This is minus 2, not belongs to what? Z plus. So it is not binary operation. Question number 1, question number 2 complete. Now about question number 3. Now question number 3 is also not a binary operation, because 2 here, z plus means set of integer. Clear? So now question number 3. Now question number 3. Question number 3, that is what? On z plus defined by a star b is equal to a b by 2. Z plus means what? Set of positive integer. Set of positive integer. So let a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3. So what happens? This is not binary operation. Not binary operation. Why? The reason is this. Reason, you can take any example. Suppose a equal to 1, b equal to 3, then a star b is equal to a b by 2. So 1 star 3. So 1 star 3 is equal to 1 into 3. 1 into 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 not belongs to z. This is the reason. Now question number 4. Question number 4. On q plus defined by a star b equal to a to the power b. Now solution of question number 4. Solution of question number 4. Question number 4. On q plus means set of positive rational number defined by a star b is equal to a to the power b. It is not binary operation. Reason, let a is equal to 2, b equal to minus 3. Sorry, this is also the set of rational number. Okay, binary operation. It is binary operation. It is binary operation. If it will be z plus, then it is not binary operation. Since it is q plus, it will be binary operation. In case of z plus, on z plus, a star b is equal to a to b, it is not binary operation. But in q plus means what? Set of positive rational number. So it will be binary operation, because for any operation, that is, it is binary operation. Binary operation, because any positive rational number operated 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, it is also what? Rational number. 2 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 by 8, it is also rational number. So, and suppose, or you can take, it will suppose another example. Let's see examples. Suppose a is equal to, let a is equal to suppose 1 and b is equal to suppose 3 and b equal to suppose 3. It is not binary operation. Let's see. What? A star b means what? A star b is equal to a to the b. That is what? That is 1 star 3 is equal to what? 1 star 3 is equal to minus 1 to the power what? 3. So this will be minus 1 not belongs to q plus. So it is not binary operation. Clear? So it is not, this is region, not binary operation, not binary operation, not binary operation. Okay. Now fifth one is binary operation. Sum of any two cube of any natural number is natural number. So fifth one is what? On n defined by a star b is equal to aq plus bq. This is cube of any natural number is natural number, cube of any natural number is natural number, addition of two natural number is also natural number. So this belongs to n for all a comma b belongs to n. So this is binary operation. Okay, it is binary operation. Now types of binary operation. Let's discuss about types of binary operation. Now types of binary operation. Types of binary operation. Number 1, commutative binary operation. Number 1, commutative binary operation. Commutative binary operation. Okay, commutative binary operation. Let star be a binary operation on a non-empty set capital A if a star b is equal to b star a for all a comma b belongs to a cross a for all a belongs to a comma b belongs to a, then star is commutative. Clear? Now another second, associative binary operation. Associative binary operation. Let star be a binary operation. Let star be a binary operation on a non-empty set capital A if A star B star C is equal to A star B star C, where A comma B comma C all belongs to what? Set A, then star is associative with respect to A. Similarly, third one is distributive. Now distributive, third one distributive. For distributive there are we require two operations, okay, for distributive, and third one is distributive property. Let star and operation O, board O, star is a operation, binary operation, another operation of O, capital O, that is bold O, be two binary operation on a non-empty set capital A, if A star B operation C, this is not zero, this is bold O means operation, another symbol, since there are two operations, this is one operation and this is another operation, clear? So A star B operation C is equal to A star B operation A star C, where A comma B comma C belongs to A, then star, then we can say star operates, star distributive over, star is distributive over operation O. This is not zero, operation. Now let us see some example related to the types of operation. Now discuss the commutativity and associativity of the following operation. Solution 1, given A star B is equal to A minus B for all A comma B belongs to set of rational number Q, clear? Now for commutative, test for commutative, let A comma B belongs to Q, and given A star B is equal to what? A minus B, and B star A is equal to B minus A. Here A minus B not equal to B minus A, that implies what? A star B not equal to B star A, so star is not commutative. Now for associative, test for associative. Let A comma B comma C belongs to the set of rational number Q. Now for associative, A star B star C. A star B star C. What happens here? Suppose this is A and this is B. According to formula, that is what? We are given that A star B is equal to what? A star B is equal to A difference B. Suppose this is A and this is so. A difference what? A difference B star C. Now this will be A difference and this is B difference C. Now this will be A difference B plus C. Clear? Now again what? A star B star C. Suppose this is A and this is B. What happens here? That is A star B. This is suppose A, this is A and this is B. So A star B difference C. Now this is A difference B and this is C. So this not equal to here A star B star C not equal to A star B bracket star C. So star is not associative. Okay. So star is not associative. This is solution of question number 1. Now solution of question number 2. Now solution of question number 2. Solution of question number 2. Given A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB on set of rational number Q. Then test for commutative. Let A comma B belongs to set of rational number Q. Now A star B is equal to A plus B plus AB. B star A is equal to B plus A plus BA. Here that is A plus B plus AB is equal to B plus A plus BA. That implies A star B is equal to B star A. Therefore star is commutative. Star is commutative on Q. Now for associative. Now for associative. Let A comma B comma C belongs to set of rational number Q. Clear? Now A star B star C is equal to what? We know this is given A star B star, that is here given A star B is equal to this A plus B plus AB. Suppose this is A and this is B. We can write A plus B. A means A, B means B star C plus A into B. That is A means A into B star C. So this will be what? A. Again apply this B plus C. This is A and this is C. B. So this is B plus C minus BC plus A into what? A into B plus C minus BC. Now operating this A plus B plus C minus BC plus AB plus SC minus ABC. Okay, so this is A plus B plus C plus AB minus BC plus SC minus ABC. Clear? Now another side, that is Now another side, again what? A star B star C. Consider this is A and this is B. So what is the definition here? Star is given A plus B plus AB. A means A star B. A star B. A means A star B. A, this is A and this is B. So A star B means A plus B means C plus what? A into B. A means A star B and B means what? C here. So apply here, that is A star B means A plus B plus AB plus C, and this is what? And this is A star B plus C. So A plus B plus AB into C. So what happens here? That is A plus B plus AB plus C plus SC plus BC plus ABC. So here plus sign, sorry, this is plus sign, this is plus sign, and this is also plus sign, and this is plus sign, and this is plus sign, and this is plus sign. Clear? So this will be plus sign because A plus B plus AB, not minus AB. So this will be plus sign. Clear? So it is what? SC BC plus ABC. So this will be what? A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus SC plus ABC. Here A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C plus AB plus BC plus SC plus AB plus BC plus SC plus ABC. So both are equal. Okay. So A star B star C is equal to A star B star C is equal to what? A star B star C. Therefore A star B star C is equal to A star B star C. Therefore star is what? Therefore star is associative. Okay. So here A star B star C bracket, that is A star bracket C B star C, A star B bracket C. So star is, therefore star is associative. Associative. Clear? Now how to find identity element and inverse element. To find identity elements, to find or identity elements, identity element, existence of identity element with respect to binary operation, with respect to binary operation, binary operation, existence of identity element with respect to binary operation. Let star be a binary operation. Let star be a binary operation on a non-empty set, non-empty set capital A. Let A belongs to capital A, then there exists another element, suppose E, another element E, such that another element E belongs to the same set A, such that A operation E is equal to A or E operation A is equal to A. That is what? Such that A star A equal to A or E star A equal to A. here, that is what? Element here is called identity element. So what is property of identity element? If an element is operated with identity element, then as it remains as it. For example, in set of suppose natural number or set of real number r, the operation is addition. What is the identity element? Suppose example 5 रे केते ऐड कले सेम रहबो 0, तो 0 होची एडिटिव आइडेंटिटी, माने एलिमेंट सहित केते ऑपरेट कले एलिमेंट आउ ऑपरेशन रो एलिमेंट जो रिजल्ट आसीयो से चेंज होबनी, से होची आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट. तो केते सपोज मु एडिशन कहबी ऑन सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर कहबी आर कहबी, तो कौन करिवो ना गोटे एग्जांपल एलिमेंट 5 नियो, 5 रे केते ऐड कले सेम रहबो 0 ऐड कले, तो 0 टा होची कोन जे आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट इन एडिशन. क्लियर? सेट that is called identity element. That is, we can say what is here? Element, any element, operation, this is operation, identity is equal to same element, this element, same element. One note, if identity element exists, then it is unique. Note, if identity element exists, then it is unique. Note, if identity element exists, then it is unique. Identity element सबले गोटे ही बाहर, गोटे, only one identity element. Now existence of invertible element, existence of inverse. Now existence of inverse of element, inverse of an element, inverse of an element. Let star be a binary operation on a non-empty set A. Let A belongs to A, then there exists another element B, B belongs to same set A, such that A star B is equal to E, means identity element is equal to B star A, where E is the identity element and B is called inverse of A and denoted by A inverse, where A inverse, this read as A inverse of A. In binary operation, it is not always. Note, in binary operation, B use short form binary operation, A to the A inverse may not be may not be 1 by A. A inverse may not be 1 by A because it is symbol of inverse. Okay, symbol of inverse. Shortcut, that is we can say what? Binary operation, that is we can say element operation inverse. Element operation inverse. Okay, element operation inverse. Element operation inverse is equal to identity element, is equal to identity element. Identity element. Okay, inverse if notes. Another note, if an inverse of an element is unique, inverse of an element is unique. केवल जदि इनवर्स एक्जिस्ट अच्छी गोटे एलिमेंट गोटे ही इनवर्स बाहर. ओके, नाउ वन क्वेश्चन, how to find the identity element and inverse elements. One question. Now question, let star be a binary operation on Z defined by A star B equal to A plus B minus 4 for all A comma B belongs to Z. Find identity element and inverse of suppose A, inverse of A, inverse of 3. Okay, inverse of A, inverse of 3. Now solution, A star B is equal to A plus B minus 4 on what? Z. Let A belongs to Z and E be the identity element. A be the identity. By definition of identity element, what? A operation E is equal to A. By definition, this is by definition. Now A star B is equal to what? A plus B minus 4. A plus B minus 4. So this is what? A plus E, A plus B minus 4 is equal to A. Now A cancel here. So E minus 4 is equal to 0. So E is equal to 4. Or we can write E star A is equal to A. By definition, that is A star B equal to A plus B by minus 4. So E plus A minus 4 is equal to A cancel. So E minus 4 is equal to 0 or E equal to what? 4. Therefore identity element is equal to 4. Now for inverse element. Okay, now for inverse element, for inverse of A, inverse of the element A, let A belongs to the set what? Z. By definition, let B be the inverse of A. Then by definition what? A star B is equal to E or B star A is equal to E. A star B is equal to, that implies A star B means what? A star B means A plus B minus 4 is equal to E means what? What is E? E is equal to 4. So this is A plus B is equal to 8 and B is equal to what? 8 minus A. What is B? B is inverse of A, so you can write A inverse. B is equal to inverse of A, so you can write A inverse is equal to 8 minus A. Similarly, we can write here that is b plus a minus 4 is equal to 4. So, b plus a is equal to 8 or a is equal to what? Or b is equal to 8 minus a, that is inverse of a. Inverse of a is equal to 8 minus a. These are unique because same answer, you should get same answer. Now, what is inverse of 3? What is now inverse of 3? Now 3 inverse is equal to what? 8 minus 3. This will be what? 5. This is the question related to how to find the inverse identity element and inverse element. One thing you should remember, first to find inverse element you should find first identity element. First identity element find कला पर inverse element बाहर एटा important. Inverse आमे direct बाहर करि परियोनी, identity element जणा हेले आमे inverse बाहर करि परिबा. Clear? Now this is the concept about what is the binary operation, what is meaning of binary operation, etc., and properties of binary operation. In second video we will discuss about some more problems, composition table, addition modulo, multiplication modulo, etc. we will learn from second video. Thank you. Have a nice day.